Now, what is the explanation that can be given? We know after we do research that since several centuries ago, and even according to recent research, there are various researches which confirm that there are various benefits for the human being in drinking camel's urine. According to Ibn Sina, you might have heard the name of Ibn Sina, the famous scientist, Muslim scientist, who was given the nickname Avicenna. Avicenna is more popular, but his real name is Ibn Sina. He mentions in the book Zad al-Mad, he says that amongst the urines, the most beneficial is the urine of the Bedouin camels, and it is called as Najib. Today, after laboratory tests have been done on urine of the camel, we have come to know that the camel's urine, it contains potassium, contains traces of uric acid. If you go on the net, there are various researches done. Umpteen, I'll just mention a couple of them to you for your satisfaction. According to the research done by Dr. Abdul Fattah Mahmood Idris, he says that the urine of the camel can be used in treatments of certain skin diseases like tinea, like ringworm and wet ulcers. And scientific research has proven that camel's urine, it makes the hair, prevention of dandruff. There is another research available done by Dr. Ahlam Al-Awadi. He is a microbiologist and can be used for allergies, for sores, for burns, for acne, for nail infection. It can also be used as a treatment for hepatitis. And he also says that camel's urine, it makes the hair stronger and thick and can be used as treatment for dandruff. There are various researches in scientific journals also. Time will not permit me to speak about many. I'll give you one more research done by Dr. Fatin Abdurrahman Khurshid. And she has done research and she has proved that the camel's urine can be used in treatment of cancer. And further it's mentioned in the Journal of Cancer Science and Therapy that camel's urine has got anti-cancer properties and can be used in the treatment of cancer. And there are various scientific journals which have testified that camel urine can be used in treatments of skin diseases, treatment of cancer, and various other benefits are there in it. So for a Muslim, without knowing and just saying that I cannot believe in it, it is wrong. What we have to do, you have to ask the person who knows. And irrespective whether the science has agreed with or not, what we have to do, if someone quotes a hadith, you have to first ask, is the hadith authentic? And if the hadith is authentic and sahih, as a Muslim, we believe in it. Amanna saddaqna. If it's the verse of the Quran, we check it, it's part of the Quran, we believe in it. Then later on, we can do research whether science has agreed with it or not. But science is not the criteria to identify whether we have to believe in the hadith or not. To identify the hadith has to be believed or not, we have to check its authenticity, and that was discussed by me a few sessions earlier. How do we check the authenticity of hadith? So if a muhaddith has said it's Sahih hadith, we believe in it, whether science agrees with it or not.